Hello there, welcome to Dave Tech YouTube channel. In this channel, I talk about smart TVs, electronics, and how to use them effectively. I also talk about how to download various applications, APKs on your smart TV. So if that's what you're interested in, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, in this particular video, I will share with you how to download the Christmas Tetris game on your Samsung smart TV. This is very easy. Just subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So if you have a Samsung Smart TV like mine or it has a different operating system, the process is still the same. The first thing you have to do is to try and locate your app store after connecting to the internet or to a Wi-Fi connection. So you come over to your app store and launch it. Now here's how my app store looks like. On your app store, there are two ways to get the application. The first way is by browsing through the various applications to see if you can locate the application. And in this case, let's try it. Here, my app store, here's a game category. So I'm going to browse it if I can see the Christmas Tetris game. And as you can see on my screen, here's the application, Christmas Tetris game. And just go ahead and download it by clicking on it, and you see the download button. Now, if I don't want to use that method or if it's too cumbersome and I want to use a different method to get the application, what I have to do is to come over to my search, and in the search, I'll go ahead and type in Christmas. I'll go ahead and type in Christmas. Uh, Now, one thing I will always like to emphasize is once typing in the keyword here, always make sure not to make any mistake because a little omission in a letter is going to end up with you not seeing the application you're looking for. Now, you can type in Christmas Tetris or just Christmas, the application is still going to pop up. So, as you search that, here's what we're looking for, Christmas Tetris scheme. You can click on it and just click on download, and the application will download straight away to your Samsung Smart TV. You can go ahead and play it on your Samsung Smart TV. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel.